Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. This is the Manchester City away jersey for the season 13-14. Nice, really nice, I like it much, but now enjoy the video. As I told, I like it really much. In my opinion, this is fabulous, fantastic, terrific. In my ranking, this is a 5 stars. I really like the dark jersey, also with gold printing on it. Let me know if you agree or not, and tell me what other jersey you would like to see in the future. For today, that's all, but please remember, subscribe the channel. Just press this button. If you like the channel, it's the minimum that you can do. See you next time. Ciao!